what incompetence is.
Atongoria a kiama kia Jubilee matongoretio ni Fred Matiang'i, mwandiki mukaru wa kiama giki Ole Kenta na Jeremia Kioni macokanĩrĩirie aria othe maratanya kuhuranĩra iturwa makirirukia bendera ya kiama giki Limuru mari na ndũmĩrĩri ĩmwe na makehuhĩrĩria mwaki wa kiama giki ndukahore.
We move as a caucus, as a team, and we have an opportunity to talk and introduce each other to the public, wale ambao tunaongea nao kuwaomba kura. Lakini hata tukifanya hivyo tusiende kuleta vita huko, kwenda kutusi wengine na mambo kama hayo, because that will hurt our country.
Na hatuna moles, we want to work with Kenyans, we are looking for leaders, we want to remove the government of the day. It is the one that has caused pain to the Kenyans. Na sisi wote sasa lazima tukubali kwenda mbele. So we are happy as Jubilee Party. We are also happy to see more parties in our legion. Our legion has never been dominated by one party.
Arũmĩrĩri a kiama giki marendekithia riu micemanio ya wabici enyihanyihio na riu maumire makendie muhuranĩri wao wa gĩtĩ kia president kuri muingi.
Mikutano ya Indo tuiwache, tusunguke Indo iwe ni March or April.
Tuingere matora-ini nigetha tumenye na turiukie kiama gitu kia Jubilee na andu mamenye ati kiama kia Jubilee kiri okuo gutire gukua gikuite muruthi wi toro.
Turathie misafara turahiukia kiama nigetha Kenya yothe ri etuigue na igue hinya wa Jubilee.
Gukiri uguo ni mathingĩrĩirie thirikari gutacokia ikinya rironeka ria kuhurana na mihoni iria iratharikira na guthararia micemanio ya ateti a mung'ethaniro makiendekithia minister wa ugitiri wa thĩinĩ Kipchumba Murkomen gutiga wĩra.
Wĩra nĩ ihinda rĩega rĩa Murkomen na IG kweherea itĩ-inĩ ciao tondu gutiri hindi bururi ungicoka haria twari miaka 30.
Hiyo sisi we not only condemn this goonsm nonsense, we do not support any form of violence, even verbal violence, kuongea vibaya kwa wale wengine.
Nĩ mũcemanio-inĩ ũyũ marutĩte meciria mao megiĩ ũnyitanĩri na ũrũmwe wa ciama iria irĩ mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro makĩnyita ũgeni ciama ingĩ iria ingĩrugũrio okorwo iroka nĩguo makorwo na mwerekera ũmwe wa kĩũteti.
We know that our major competitor is DCP in our region. When we are there, we are not fighting them. We are also looking for leaders for this region, because not one party can be able to give us leaders that will help us in the county.
We are welcoming hiyo chama kwa United Opposition sana, na tunasema karibu, tunataka kufanya kazi pamoja.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Limuru kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariuki.